What up, schooligans? Because I usually say hooligans, but it's back to school season here at Generation DIY, so school and hooligan. I feel like you guys are smart enough to figure that out. It's Jennifer, and today I'm bringing you guys my first back to school video of the year. I know this is not a very exciting time for a lot of you guys. So, in the background, as you can see, I made a reference, a Vine reference to be specific, to cheer you guys up. In all of my back to school videos, I'm going to be doing a different Vine reference. It's totally not related to school at all, but it's just to cheer you guys up because I know school is not the best time ever. This is coming from a student who has gone through 2 years of college at NYU, and let me tell you, it was a hard time. Anyway, that was a lot of rambling, but today I'm going to be doing a back to school supplies haul and giveaway because I already have all the supplies that I need. I will explain the rules at the end of the video. I got you guys so much stuff and I am practically broke now. So on top of being a broke college student because my tuition costs more than my soul does, you know what? I'm even more broke. Let's move on. If you don't win this giveaway, don't worry because I will be having more giveaways in my back to school videos, so stay tuned for those. If you like this video, make sure to like it, not just emotionally, and subscribe if you haven't already and you like my videos. Also, turn on that notification bell, and if you do turn it on, then comment down below that you're from the notification squad and you might be featured as shout out of the week at the end of my next video. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm so annoying. Alright, I feel like the first thing that I should show you is the backpack. I actually did a poll on Twitter to see which color you guys wanted, and this was the color that won, and this is very heavy because everything is inside, and I bought you guys a lot of stuff. It's the backpack. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it because I just know I'm gonna do it wrong. You guys have probably seen this like a billion times before, and I really want one of these for myself. One of you guys is gonna get this aesthetically pleasing black backpack. This fits literally everything that I bought you guys, and I bought you guys a lot of stuff. It has side pockets for like your water bottle or something, although they are kind of small. It has these carrying straps, backpack straps obviously, and then we have the front pocket, which I have stuff in. But we will get to that in a second. Let's get to what's inside. The limo out front. Whoa, hottest styles, every shoe, every color. This is not in any particular order, I'm just grabbing what I see first. The first thing I see is this clear... I just lost every single word in my brain. Pencil case! Oh my gosh, that took me like 30 whole minutes. I got you guys a clear pencil case, and I like this one because it stands up by itself, because like you can hide stuff behind it, maybe your phone. Not saying that you should be using your phone during class, but I don't know, like ink. I don't know, okay? I'm not like, I don't know, but that's the tea, sis. I feel like it's easier to get stuff, and plus it's clear so you'll be able to see exactly what's inside. And then I got you guys so many different like writing utensils. This one is the Papermate erasable gel pens. They look like this, and I love erasable pens. I use them all the time, and I just love erasable pens because they're just so cool. I also got you guys these Sharpie like thin fine liners. I used these for when I had like drawing projects, not like drawing class projects, but like where I needed to draw things and then like outline, because this does not bleed through the paper, and if you just want to use like a nice smooth black pen, this is great. Alright, we got more pens, and these are probably my favorite. Actually, not true. These are some of my favorites. This is the Papermate Inkjoy set of pens. These are all different colors, and these are so smooth, and I love these. I take notes in like all of the colors, so these are really helpful. You really don't need anything else, but I got you guys more because I just wanted to spoil you guys. I can't speak properly. Alright, to go along with the pens, you also need some whiteout because we all make mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes.
Everybody has those days.
There's a lot of Hannah Montana singing going on here, but whiteout. Okay, you also need some pencils, of course, because do I even need to explain? These are the Papermate Right Bros, and okay, everyone says that those like twisty ones from Papermate are the best, but I didn't think so. I loved these pencils. You get 10. So if you lose one, don't worry, because you got 9 more. If you lose another one, you got 8 more. You know how to count. Next, I got you guys some Sharpies. I always just needed these for some reason. season, and even if you don't need them for school, you'll find them handy in your life. So I got you guys some Sharpies. I also got you guys my favorite erasers. These are the Mars plastic ones, and they're the white ones that are literally amazing and they erase everything. Highly recommend. Not sponsored, but I wish I was. I'm about to introduce you to the best pens in the world. These are the big 4-colored pens, and there are 3 in here, so this will last you like your whole high school career. Actually, that's not true. I used 2 in 1 year. I go through so many of these. I literally just said that this will last you your whole high school career, and then I'm like, I went through so many of these. We love a good contradiction. But these have 4 colors, obviously. There's blue, green, red, and black. And if you have one of these, you're basically set for anything. I take notes in blue, do titles in black, and then I do keywords in red, and then examples in green. These are some highlighters because you need highlighters. I usually don't highlight while I'm taking notes, but I highlight when I'm studying, which might be kind of weird. Alright, I think that's it for writing utensils. Let's take a break from actual like school work stuff. I got you guys this really pretty water bottle. It's like purple and blue and green, and I actually have one really similar to this and I love it, so I wanted to get you guys one that was really similar to that one. So sorry guys, are you disgusted? This happens quite a lot. This is like the Swell bottle, but it's not real Swell, so sorry guys. You guys are getting the knockoff version, but it's just as good, I promise. And you guys need a water bottle because you need to keep hydrated. I didn't drink water when I was in high school, which was not good because my skin broke out. And I still don't really drink water, which is why I'm breaking out on my entire face in true teenage pubescent fashion, like a girl who's going through finals and is stressed. That's the back to school spirit. And I feel like when I have nice bottles, I'm more likely to drink water. I also got you guys this portable charger. Well, that took me so long because I asked you guys on Twitter what supplies you guys needed that nobody really thinks about, and a bunch of you guys said a portable charger, so I got you guys one and I totally get it. This will save your life because I know you guys use your phones in class. Don't even lie to me. Next up, I got you guys sticky notes, and these are like really cute ones, not just like yellow, pink, blue, boring, plain ones. These are from UB. There's a striped one, there's a color blocked one, this like leaf pattern, flamingos. Sticky notes are actually really helpful when you're taking notes and then you don't have enough room or you forgot part of your notes and you want to add something in. Just write it on here and then stick it onto your paper and then you're Gucci. Okay, moving on to notebooks. So I got you guys my favorite notebook. This is the 5-star 200-page 1 subject notebook. I don't know what else to say. It's just a good notebook. And then if you want to have like a pretty notebook, I also got you guys this marble one. It says notes in a gold font, and then you have some lined paper inside, which is standard. I got you guys this binder from Staples. This is the binder that I used for all 5 years of high school, and it lasted all 5 years and it's still intact, and that's because it has like these rubber sides, and these are just the best. It also has a file folder inside, which I always needed because I always have loose papers. This is 1.5 inches. My high school had like a day 1, day 2 system, so what I did was I put all of my day 1 classes in here and then day 2 classes in another binder, and then I would just switch off using each binder for each day. And that way you don't have to take multiple binders to school every day, and you can just use one and use some subject dividers, which I got you guys here. Yeah, they're just colorful and have hole punches. I told you guys I always burp. Do you think that's a problem? I feel like no, but like maybe. I don't know. There's 8 in here, so I mean, most people have 8 classes, so. Okay, this probably is not very functional, but maybe if you like keep a journal or something, this might be a cool thing for you to use. This is a notebook that, okay, it looks like this, right? But then, okay, first of all, it's like reflective like that. And then, what? Are you seeing this? I am so satisfied right now. The next school supply I got you guys was this stack of index cards, and this one is from UB. So it looks like they're white index cards, but there's different like dividers inside. Alright, next up we have some things that are not really school related per se, but they might help you out with relaxation and whatnot. So I got you guys these 2 face masks. I hate words that Anyway, this one is from Pure Lease. It's a watermelon energizing sheet mask. It smells so good. And this one is from Peach Slices. Alright, the last thing that is in this backpack is in the front pocket. I got you guys some Tic Tacs because I don't know if you guys are allowed to chew gum in class, so I decided to go on the safer side and just get you guys some Tic Tacs. Apparently it says 20% more, so it's your lucky day. But that is all that's in the backpack. And that is it for the haul portion. Now I guess are the rules for how to enter, which I haven't actually made up the rules yet, so I have to think about what they're gonna be. Give me like 2 seconds. Alright, so to enter this giveaway, the first thing you need to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I gotta burp is what I gotta do. Oh my gosh, I want to give back to someone who is active on my channel and who actually loves watching my videos. Also, follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you want to. Again, because I want to make sure that this goes to an active, loyal subscriber who interacts with me on social media and that kind of stuff. It's optional, you don't have to do it. If you don't want to follow me, it's Gucci. No hard feelings. And then the final thing that you have to do is just comment down below when you go back to school and a way for me to contact you. So that could be your Instagram or Twitter handle, or that could be your email. Just leave me some way that I can contact you if you win, and that is pretty much it. This giveaway will be ending on, let me choose a date. This giveaway will be ending on August 31st. Dude, I've literally burped 4 times in this video. I think something is wrong. Also, this giveaway is international, so wherever you live in the world, I will ship it to you. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Stay tuned for my back to school videos to come. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Shout out of the week is right here. I will see you schooligans in my next video. Bye!